You don't have to be the senior most person either. I think that's where a lot of people say, if I'm not the top of the food chain, I can't call the shots. In reality, most people are suffering together as a team and assertive enough to say, like, here's my limitations, but also here's a way that we could introduce a new process. We could turn this meeting into something asynchronous. Here's a way that we could go from 3 times a week to 1 time a week. Here's how we could just do a midday check-in versus 8 a.m. every day when people are trying to start their day with families. You would lose their creative time. Good leaders are open to suggestions. And if you are the brave soul that says, here's what I'm seeing, here's an opportunity to make things better, here's how we create deep work time for everyone on the team so everything's more efficient, a good leader should be very receptive to that. If you have a toxic leader who's like my way or the highway, that's another signal that you might have to deal with and say shifting teams, shifting companies. But most environments, like good companies, are pretty damn workable. And if you're in a good local culture, essentially you should assert yourself and see what's possible. Everyone will probably be pretty beneficial and rewarded because of it.